2023 Toyota RAV4. All right, so the customer wants to disable the seatbelt warning chime and wants to enable rolling down the windows with the remote control. Down and open. That can be done by changing some of the settings using this launch scanner I have here that I got on Amazon. It's the X431 Pro version 5. So we hooked this up to the OBD connector of the car, and it's a wireless connection to the scanner itself. Here's the connector here, okay. And once we are connected and we tell it what kind of car we're in, all you have to do is go to customize settings. It's very simple. And here are all the settings that we can change as far as this Toyota goes. Okay, so to do the remote power window down feature, this is what we're looking at right here. Power window down with transmitter. And if you look, it's always going to be set to default with most of these cars. To go ahead and turn it on, just go to on, and now this setting is on. It's that simple with the scanner here. And let's see here, we're going to go back one more. And the warning with the seatbelt is going to be right here in warning. And it'll actually give you, like, you can turn off the low battery warning if you want to. But if you look at what the menu says, you have to turn off each seat, okay? So like the driver's seat, passenger seat, rear seats. So if you got like kids or dogs bouncing around in the back, you want to do the back ones only. If you want to do the passenger or just the drivers, you can turn these off and on right here. Right now the value is set on. It's always going to be on. Just go to set here, click off, and then the warning chime will be off forever, so you can drive around without your seatbelt on if you want. So now we're driving. We still have the no seatbelt notification on the cluster here. That's that red warning sign right there, but we got no more chime. So to get the windows to roll down and the sunroof to open with the remote, you would just press and hold down the unlock button. After 2 seconds, everything will come down and open. Just got to hold the button down, and that's how you enable windows down with the key fob. So the launch scanner, I'll have a link down in the description box below where you can get it, which is on Amazon. It's the X431 Pro version 5. And again, it doesn't use a membership or anything like that to get it to use it. You can use it on multiple vehicles, and you can always turn these settings off and on as long as you own the scanner. So appreciate you guys checking out the video, and hope to see you again in another Toyota video.